Really? What are you trying to say, Sierra? I don't understand. Will you please turn off the VCR DVD player? What kind of response is that? Sierra. That's not very nice. Tell Daddy what you want. Dad. No. Ah, what? Ah. What? Ah. Really? I don't understand what you're trying to tell me. Ah. What? Are you constipated? Do you have issues? Yeah? Abba. La 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 la. La 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 la. Elmo's World. Yeah, say I. Da. You can speak. What are you doing, kiddo? What is wrong with you?
This has been going on for what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, I've been filming for about 2. Ah! What? Okay. What else you got going on? La la la. Is that it? Oh, more? Sierra, do you have some issues going on? Tell me how you feel. You dead there? Oh, oh yeah? Explain it to us, Sierra. Come on. I appreciate that. What's your favorite noise to make? Say that again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dada, definitely. I'm over here, kid. Dada's over here. Are you done? What's going on? Hi. Tell us how you feel. How was your day, Sierra? It was crappy? Dada? That's Mojo. That's the dog. What you doing? Are you done? Alright. I think you're done.